Okay, please, David. Present
Okay,
your...
thank you. Okay, thank you, Pak Bobby and Ajan Alex. I would like to present my progress today. So, first of all, I would like to rewrite the equation for GR. GR here is the coefficient of the tie y here, and this is the normal form of our master radial equation. We can see here that to avoid the irregular singularity of this differential equation, we need to omit all of the higher order of 1 over r if the order is larger than 2. And because of that, we need to analyze the GR here, and these red terms can be removed from the GR because we only consider the asymptotical solution of this differential equation. And further, we can see that these blue terms also cancels out each other. And because of that, we finally get this very simple equation. And we can see here that we have this part, and this part lasts only for d equal to 4. And for d equal to 5, this can be omitted because the order will be 1 over r cubed. Because of that, we can summarize that this KD is this one, just a constant. For d equal to 4, we have this. And it is worth to note that for d equal to 4, it is possible that KD becomes negative because we have one negative terms here, and the mass of the black hole can be varied so that it can dominate over the 1 plus LL plus 2. But for the case D equal to or more than 5, this KD always positive. And our master equation can be rewritten as this equation 1.4. This one is very simple, but we can see here that this equation doesn't have the order 1 over r. So the effective potential only minus 1 over r squared. And then after several substitution to modify this equation, and then we can also compare it to the normal form of modified Bessel equation, KNN IN, we will arrive to the summary that the solution of our master equation is in this form. And we can also add the second type of the modified Bessel I, but it is worth to note again that this equation can always fulfill the differential equation, whatever the value of this big omega, and it leads to another problematic condition that all of the state can be the solution of this differential equation, meaning that the energy will be continuous and there is no polynomial solution for this kind equation with positive Kn. And if we want to see it explicitly, we can see that for d plus 1 equal to 5, d plus 1 equal to 6, because the d here is 5, we can get this function, and this function can have both positive and negative value. And because of that, there is no ground state for this problem. And after finding this solution for positive KD, we also have to consider the possible negative solution for the KD. And that kind of behavior can only happens if, let's go back a bit, if d equals to 4 here. And it is very interesting to see that with negative KD, we only need to modify the n here, the n from real to be imaginary, purely imaginary. And after that, we can introduce a cutoff. So the cutoff will be the horizon itself, that the wave function must be vanished at that cutoff. Otherwise, in other region, it will be minus 1 over x squared. And then that will lead to quantization condition as follows. So here we can get the energy quantization procedure. So we expect the ground state here, but the problem is it is not very easy to imagine how this function behave, the modified Bessel with imaginary order, and we need to use Maple to help us in plot that function. And I will show you how this function behave or looks like. We start from the n equal to 1, the radial quantum number n equal to 1, and we will see if we substitute this all parameters to Maple, then I'm sorry, I forgot to share screen for the Maple.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
yes, please.
thank you, Probably. So for n equal to 1, it is amazing and interesting to see that this modified Bessel with imaginary order behave like this. This is very the same with the polynomial with order 1. All of these wave function have positive value, and it is related to the ground state solution. And to make sure it is a ground state, we need to vary the NR. No, I substitute the NR equal to 2, and by this way, the wave function will be as follows, like this. So we can see here that the function intercept the x-axis twice at the cutoff, and then it goes to negative value of the y-axis, and then goes back to the positive value and will vanish at infinity. It is interesting to see that this behaves exactly the same as the polynomial solution. And if we go further to nr equal to 3, we will get this following function. The wave function will cut the x-axis thrice, something like this. It goes to positive value and then negative value and positive value again, something like this.
I see.
So as the summary, I would like to say that the ground state solution can exist for d equal to 4 plus 1. Here d equal to 4 in dimension 4 plus 1. And if the dimension is larger than that, then we cannot find the ground state and also the stable solution. And probably, do you have any request for next calculation?
Okay. Can you show me the Schwarzschild-Tanger linear metric?
Sure. Let me move the screen. Could you see my screen, Pak Bobi?
Okay, yeah. Okay, good. So this is additional factor, scale factor, which is a radius of this d-1 sphere, yeah. So if we put this R0 not equal to 1, for example, what is the influence of the solution? What kind of solution we get? I mean, is it, you said that for d greater than 5 or equal greater than 5, 5 plus 1, you said that there is no ground state and there is no stable solution. If,
right.
Okay, maybe for the case, if this is, oh yes, I forgot to also to mention, if this R0 is not equal 1, so this constant here in the metric function, this 1 minus m over rd minus 2, this 1 here is replaced by 1 over R0 squared, this one.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this is also 1 over 0 in the RR component, you replace this by 1 over 0R also. No, not that.
Do you mean something?
No. Replace 1 in the metric function.
In the metric function? Ah, I see.
1, this one, okay. Replaced by 1 over R0. 1 over R0.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
So the Klein-Gordon equation will be changed a lot.
Yeah, slightly modified. That's right. So it means maybe for stability, for the solution, may also change.
I see.
Yeah. That's maybe next week. Yeah, we will discuss it.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Do you have any question again? At least you try for 4 dimension.
Okay.
D equals 3 and D equals 4.
I see. So we have to trace again from the
exactly
3 plus 1 and so on, right?
Yeah. Okay. If you have time, you can also generalize it to any dimension.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully next week I can report some progress about this calculation.
Okay, that's good.